All right, I'm gonna move the stuff back to what was originally in the request. So I'm moving this back to what was originally in the boilerplate because we actually want a parse request in the parse request method. So I'm going to comment that out again and print like I did before, just to see what the decoded request text is. Because in here is where we're going to actually want to parse it. Let's run the server again. I'm going to comment this out too because I don't want it to crash. This is where it's failing. Clear this. Run Python server. Oh no. Where's that? Request PY line 10. Request PI. Oh, right here. None. Just for the time being. Clear it. Run that again. Please work. Socket localhost. Refresh. Ooh, okay. So this is where we're getting back, this big array. Yep, okay. So let's actually, but we want to get this part. That's all I really care about right now is getting this. So in this requested text, grab the first index, split that again, kind of like what we did before, and grab the first index of that. Or no, index 0. I'm going to run this again. Clear. Waiting for connection. Refresh. So that's what we want. Oh. Decode there. Return URI right there. So this request has a instance variable called parse request. So in here, I'm going to print request data.parsed request and see what that looks like. I don't need this print anymore. Killing that, restarting the server, waiting for connection. So here's that object that's being returned, this URI. So now we can do some stuff with this. So instead of using this if statement here, let's move this logic up into the create HTTP response. So I'm going to do what's it? Request response client connection send. Let's see. Client connection dot send create HTTP response request data dot parsed request. It's a big, all right, request data, parse request instance has access to this parse request object, which we just print out up here. And then we also just want the URI. So it's HTTP response method. Let's come up here, takes in a URI, and then here's where we can move all our statements and this logic. If URI, URI equals time. Then we want to return header and body. And then if it's time, we want to do all this. We don't need any of this stuff anymore. That makes, let's see what's going on. So request, I created a request class. I imported it up here with request, import everything, passing in the client connection into the request class. Request text gets passed in the init method, which gets passed. Does this request.receive 1020 kind of decode split. This is kind of given to us as a parameter in the parse request method. This decoded request text comes in, and I parse it more to grab the actual URI. I assign a instance variable self.parseRequest as a dictionary called URI-URI. In here, here's the part, I don't need this anymore. Client connection.send. I'm passing in the request data, that parse request URI, which is right here, into the create HTTP response method. Takes in a parameter of the URI. If URI equals / I don't need this. Oh, shoot. Because that's already being sent down here. Request client connection.send. So it just returns an encoded header and body for time. I don't need this either. I don't need new connection received. Let's see if this works. Clear. Oh no, connection got closed. What happened? There we go. Clear. Waiting for connection. Hello, Kilo Platoon. Oh no, server connection, send, create response, none type. Why does this happen? I think this is because, yes, go ahead.
Just a quick question. If you, the human, do not type in the / into the browser, does the browser automatically type it in for you? Okay. Yeah.
So this none type, it already automatically kills. Let's see what, I think that's because, so let's print the URI. URI. Let's refresh it. Oh, it's already killed, so let's clear it. Let's run that again, waiting for connection. URI, connection, favicon. So it's right here. It's where it looks like it's being killed. This is a not none type byte. It's stupid. Else, we can do like another else. We can like almost fail safe. Oh. Let's do current length. We don't need any of this. Current time is, let's do, I don't like, oh no. Favicon, ICO. Maybe that works. Clear. Waiting for connection. Waiting for connection. Cool. Let's do / time, or current time is. Great. So that works. Does anybody have any questions? How this kind of turned out? We can even optimize this more. We can even do like move this, create response. Move that over here. This is where it gets tricky. What the hell? Where is that? I can't see it.
With that, else you could put a different header there saying like / or something.
Right, yeah. So in line with this, so create HTTP response, we can do request data dot HTTP response. Clear. This might not work, so, but yeah, it didn't work. Oh, I need to do a self because this is a class method, instance method. Ugh. Clear again. Waiting for connection. That didn't work. Now didn't. Yeah. All right. I gotta move all this stuff over. See if this is working now. There we go. So I moved everything into a class. So here's our actual server, and here and everything that's responsible for our requests from the server are in its separate class. Stop the recording right